Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we are bringing you an exciting and powerful review of the Mini Rocket, a compact machine built for speed lovers who want a small body with a big attitude. This video will take you through its performance, design, features, and riding experience so you can understand exactly why the Mini Rocket is becoming one of the most talked about bikes of the year. From its bold styling to its impressive acceleration, this ride truly proves that size doesn't define power. Many riders choose it because it delivers a perfect balance of lightweight handling and aggressive performance, making it ideal for both city streets and open roads where you want to feel the thrill of pure speed. The Mini Rocket is designed to grab attention the moment you see it. Its sharp edges, aerodynamic curves, and modern color themes make it look futuristic and stylish. Even though it's compact, it carries a muscular look that gives it a dominating presence on the road. The LED headlamp gives a bright and clear beam for night rides, while the rear LED strip enhances its modern feel. Its comfortable seat and upright riding position make it suitable for long rides without causing fatigue. This bike is built for those who want style and comfort in one powerful package. When it comes to performance, the Mini Rocket does not disappoint. Its lightweight frame combined with a punchy engine delivers quick acceleration that surprises everyone who rides it for the first time. You can feel the instant response as soon as you twist the throttle. The smooth transmission allows seamless gear shifts, making the bike perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. The suspension setup is designed to absorb bumps comfortably, allowing you to ride even on uneven roads without losing control. The braking system offers solid stopping power, ensuring safety and confidence at higher speeds. Whether you're cruising around town or pushing the limits on open roads, the Mini Rocket always stays stable. Fuel efficiency is another major highlight. Even with its sporty nature, the Mini Rocket manages to deliver impressive mileage, making it an excellent choice for daily use. Riders who want performance without spending too much on fuel will appreciate this balance. The engine is tuned to provide power when you need it while saving fuel during regular rides. This makes it a great option for students, office workers, or anyone who wants excitement and practicality together. Its maintenance cost is low, and parts are easy to find, making it a pocket-friendly option for long-term ownership. The Mini Rocket also comes with smart features that enhance your riding experience. Many models offer digital displays that show speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip meters with clear visibility. Some variations even include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor navigation, calls, and music directly from your dashboard. These features make the bike feel more premium and give riders a taste of modern-day motorcycling technology. The handling of this bike is extremely smooth, especially in traffic where its compact size becomes a big advantage. You can easily move through tight spaces, take quick turns, and park without any struggle. What truly makes the Mini Rocket special is its personality. It feels alive, responsive, and ready to go at any moment. Riders say that every ride feels fresh because the bike has a playful character that makes everyday journeys fun. Even at lower speeds, the engine feels energetic, and the sound adds an exciting touch to your ride. This machine is all about freedom, speed, and thrill packaged in a compact form. It's perfect for young riders looking for their first energetic bike or experienced riders wanting something light yet powerful. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride or getting a bike that delivers both performance and style without taking up too much space, the Mini Rocket is definitely worth considering. Whether you're using it for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bike promises a memorable experience every time you hit the road. Its perfect mix of design, performance, technology, and affordability makes it stand out from the competition. Many riders around the world love its reliability and smooth handling, proving that it's more than just a small bike, it's a complete package of fun and excitement. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this review of the Mini Rocket and want to see more exciting rides, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland 2025. Your support helps us bring more amazing content for you. Tell us in the comments what bike or car you want us to review next. I'll see you in the next video.